Good morning, friends.
Good morning, friends. We are going to do a new therapy.
So this is our part 2 of that EVS worksheets. So let's quickly start. This number 9 is circle the objects that carry us from one place to another. Okay, so you have to circle the objects which only carry us. Okay, so this carries us. And this one, does it carry us? Okay, doesn't. She wants to do it. She doesn't want to tell. So as you can see, I have given you a few other things, like I have given a frog, I have given a snail, I have given a boots, and then house, so that the child has to identify which carries us, which doesn't. Yeah, please tell. Does it carry us? It does not carry us. Yes. Very good. It carries us. Okay, so she have circled it. Okay. House carries us? No. 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 Okay. This number 10th is circle the vehicles that can be used on the roads, which only goes on the road. And this one goes in the, you have to tell. Where does it go?
Fly.
Oh, it flies. Okay. So this one on the road. And where does this one go on? This one?
This is going on track.
Oh, it goes on the track. So we'll go to the next sheet. This is also very simple. Circle the airways. So here are the pictures. Yeah.
Boat can also.
No, wait just a second. First you listen. Circle the airways which only flies in the air. From these 4 pictures, which only flies in the air. Okay. And the next one is circle the waterways. From these 4, which are waterways. So these are very simple activities, but when visualizing and doing it will be very...
now.
Waterways are done? Okay. Circle the objects that can fly. From these all objects which can fly. So as she has practiced and she has done all this, so she is doing it very easily. You can try these things with your children.
Butterflies fly.
Okay, very good. What else can fly? Very good.
Air balloon can fly.
Okay, good. Now these are match the modes of transport. There are 3 modes of transport, that is air, water and road. She has to join them, which vehicle goes in which mode. She is doing it. Once the child will do it regularly, they will be very clear with the concept. Circle only the fruits. Okay, from these all pictures which are only fruits. Circle the fruits.
Watermelon?
Yes, fruits only you have to circle.
Watermelon?
Okay,
This one is 2.
very good. Next. Okay, so they are distinguishing between fruits and vegetables.
Mango?
Here. Very good. Good job. Now the next one is the life cycle sequencing. She has to sequence the life cycle. Okay, so what is this called?
Proceed.
Very good. Then next one. After seeds, what comes? After seeds?
No.
Seedling.
Seedling.
Very good. That is seedling. Very good. Now then after that, what is it called? Sprouts.
Sprout.
And then that one?
That one is 4.
Small.
Blank.
But you are you're telling 4 but writing 3. Okay, no problem. Very good. Next one. Good job. Now this one, life cycle of a chicken.
Egg.
Yeah, so this is the life cycle of the chicken. Then what happens to the egg? What is that? Hatch. Very good. The egg hatches. We can ask the child to tell.
And a baby chick.
Very good. The baby of the chicken is chick. Very good.
And it grew up to the big chicken.
Very good. So it grows up to a big chicken. So in this way, we can also make them
Now
do the life cycle.
Last.
So here in this number 18th, here is the left and right direction for making the child more fluent with the directions.
Okay.
I have just
Is
made this
the
one.
tree
Yeah, the tree. Which side the tree is bending?
left side?
Which side is this? Put your both
Right
the
side?
no. First, put your both the hands. Yeah. See which side it is bending? This side or this side? Look at the.
This side?
No. See the picture.
Look.
That is which hand?
Right side.
Very good. So which one you will join? Very good. Right. Okay. Next one. The fish.
Why did it no?
I did not tell no. Come on. Do the fish.
Left side.
Very good. The moon.
Right side.
No. See.
Left side.
Yes. They might get confused because left and right.
And right.
Very good.
Accidentally.
That's okay. Accident happened, but that's okay. Okay, fine. Next. This
Be very
flower.
careful.
Okay, I'll be very careful. Flower.
Yeah.
The flower. We said it is bending.
Left side.
Very good.
Where is it?
Okay, now next one is groups. I'll just ask her and she will.
And the
do
last one is this and this go.
So now this is brinjal. Brinjal is what? Fruit, shape, vegetable, sense organ or living thing? Vegetable. Very good. This diamond. Diamond is what? Which group it belongs? Very good. Shapes. Very good. Diamond here.
Where did it go? To S.
Now broccoli. Very good. Mango.
Mango. V.
Mango is not vegetable. Mango is very good fruits. Hand is what? Is it fruit, shape, vegetable, sense organ?
Sense organ.
Very good. Which is sense organ? Please find out. This one is sense organ. Because she cannot read, so I'm just helping her a little bit. We can do that. Next, this tree. Tree is what? Fruit, vegetable, shape, sense organ, living thing.
This is not fruit.
This is not fruit?
This is fruit.
Yeah, this is fruit. Okay. Join. The tree is what? It's a
tree.
Sense organ or living thing?
Sense organ.
Or living thing?
Sense organ.
Tree is not a sense organ. Tree is a living thing.
Living thing.
Yeah, please join it. This is the living thing. This is the living thing. Join. Next one, the eyes is what?
Eyes.
Living.
For looking.
So it is a sense organ or living thing?
Sense organ.
Very good. Join.
Is they?
Yeah, is that? No, this is living thing. This is sense organ. Join.
And sorry.
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, now this caterpillar, is it living thing or a sense organ?
Living thing.
Very good. Join it. Where is the living thing? Yeah, this one. Join. And this, very good. So here the same way already I have shared the activity, this activity, but it is a different manner.
Wait.
Yeah. So she will tell what the plant needs to grow. Come on. Very good. Tell and join.
I don't want to.
You don't want to tell. Okay. You just want to join. Okay. So she's joining. I have given a few other things like paste, juice, milk so that it will confuse her. She knows what the tree needs. So she's just doing it. Good job. Done? Okay. And the last one. Okay. So what is this part called? Parts of the plant. What is this part called?
Leaf.
Very good. Next. What is that part called?
Flower.
Very good. Next.
Roots.
Yeah. This is roots. This. Not this one. This one. Yeah. Next. What is that? Fruit. Okay. The last one. What is this? What is that? Stem. Very good. So this basically, so these were the worksheets that I wanted to share.
Messy. Now, if you like our activity, subscribe to our channel.
Thank you.
Thank you. Then I press the